The falling prices of SSD drives makes them a viable solution for quick access storage, and if you're after a small portable enclosure that's tough enough to protect your valuable data, then this could be one of the smallest and toughest out there, the Qwiizlab ES13UR. We've previously taken a look at the ES13UR, an impressive NVMe SSD enclosure with not only good performance, but that ruggedized design that's IP68 water and dust resistant, protecting your drive and your data at all costs. Well, if you want to keep all that protection but want something even more portable, then this will be ideal, the ES13UR. We have the same overall design as the bigger brother, with a metal front and back for helping with heat dissipation and ensuring your SSD runs cool, and an entire silicon covered outer bumper protecting against that odd drop. And because of that, it certainly feels very robust in the hand. Seriously, this thing is built like a tank, yet it's still super compact and lightweight for easy transportation. You can literally throw this thing in your bag and not worry about any damage whatsoever. The rugged design is IP66 water and dust resistant too, with part of the silicon bumper covering the single USB-C port that's available at one end of the device. On the top corner we also find an integrated loop with a clip pre-attached. You don't want to attach this to your bag though, since it's actually a USB-C to USB-C cable that's quite easily removable. It is rather short, but considering this is a small portable drive, chances are you'll not want to carry around a lengthy data cable anyways. And after use, it conveniently slides straight back into the silicon holder. All in all, it's a nice, solid design. You will of course need to supply your own NVMe SSD drive, a small 2230 size drive to be exact. These are readily available, with a list of compatible drives available on the Qwiizlab site. Nevertheless, with the silicon bumper removed, note that this is not a tool-free enclosure, one of the slight annoyances that comes with such a tough and robust design, I'm afraid. You will find required tools included in the package though, or you could just be a little lazy like me and use your own electric driver instead to remove the 4 screws on one side of the device, revealing the internals, including the SSD connector and the retaining screw, which we can remove, before inserting the SSD and securing with the single screw just removed. At this point you'll want to place the thermal pad on top of the SSD so that contact is made with the top lid for heat to pass through to. The lid itself is a little thinner than I expected, but should still perform well with allowing heat to escape regardless. And with the lid pushed back into place, and all screws reinstalled, you're ready to use the drive. Again, easy with that conveniently attached USB-C cable. Although there's little technical data on the device, the control chip seems to perform really well with general data transfers, and once you initialize and format any new SSD, a speed test with the Blackmagic Disk Speed Test software gives us some respectable results. Naturally, we would expect a lot more from the SSD installed inside, but it's pretty much at the upper limits of what we can expect to achieve through the USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface, certainly enough to edit basic video content or for super fast data transfers. Considering the interface used, I have no problem with these speeds at all. The drive will feel noticeably warm during heavy usage, which is completely normal and part of the parcel when it comes to NVMe drives. Even so, connection is stable and reliable. There's really very little to fault here. So, all in all, there's much to like about this drive. Physically, it's solid, complete with the added shock absorption from the silicon shield, helping to protect the drive and your data inside. And above all else, you can't really get much smaller or more portable than this when it comes to an SSD enclosure. Installation can be a bit of a faff, with 4 screws outside and 1 on the inside, especially considering we've seen some larger SSD enclosures that are completely tool-free already, but ultimately it's not such a big deal, as it's likely not something you'll do very often. In fact, some may see this as added security in the first instance. So in essence, with a stylish, very tough yet functional design, complete with a relatively straightforward NVMe installation procedure, if you have access to your own 2230 sized SSD and want to use it as an external device for your computer, the Qwiizlab NVMe SSD rugged enclosure performed well throughout my testing and is easy to recommend.